Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hello, family. Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I want to share with you a hidden gem that I discovered in Lithia, Florida. It's an amazing restaurant called Little Jamaica, owned and operated by Carlene and Jeffery. How are you today?
I'm
good. Good. Do you have a quick minute?
Sure.
Yes. Are you the owner?
I am.
Good.
Carlene, the owner of Jamrock Vibes.
Oh, you're Carlene.
Yes.
All right. And so you own the business?
I do.
Yeah. What made you start the business out here in Lithia?
So in Lithia, I started the business from home because of Corona in 2020, and all the restaurants was closing down. We couldn't get no Jamaican food, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna ask people, are you interested in fish? And that's how I started. I started doing fish only. So it was fish and finger food.
Okay.
And I put it out on Facebook. I just like an ad and said, who would like to order fish on like July 24th? And I get 45 orders.
Wow.
One setting. So it was just you order, you come and pick it up. And that's how it started.
You got, okay. So what did you launch into now? What do you have now?
So I have everything on the menu. Jamaican stuff. So we have curry goat, jerk chicken, curry chicken, brown stew chicken, finger food like Bami Festival, ripe plantain.
Yes.
Red pea soup is a hit.
Yes.
I can't cook enough.
Yes.
So it's growing.
All right. And Lithia is not a very central place. And I don't find a lot of Jamaicans living out here.
Not out here, but on the outskirts. So if you go Plant City, Apollo
or
Beach,
Brandon,
Riverview, there's a lot of Jamaicans living in Riverview and also Sun City.
Yes.
So, yeah, they all come out.
They drive out here and
pick up their food. Because on Fridays we have a little chill out where we play games, bingos, dominoes, and Ludi.
Yes.
So they'll come out. We have a full bar. So
lovely. So you find most of your supporters are from Jamaicans.
Most of them are Jamaican, but I still have a mixture
of other persons.
I have little Mexicans, the white comes to
Yes.
Puerto Rican.
Yes.
Because everybody loves Jamaican food, so we don't just cook Jamaican food for Jamaicans. It's for everyone.
For everybody. Awesome. Well, guys, I'm gonna sample some of Carlene's food and I'll tell you what I think after I've had it. I'm going to order some. Is there anything you want to share with the viewers, Carlene?
Yes, sure. So I'd like the viewers to come out and try us out. We cook authentic Jamaican meals. And as I said, we have games night on Friday nights where we have domino, bingo, ludi, and we have functions. This is also a venue. If you needed to rent, if you have a birthday party, a wedding reception, I come out and look at the venue. You can get it to rent. I also do catering. Whatever you like on your menu, I'll get it done.
Lovely.
No job too small, no job too big. We'll cover it all.
Lovely. Thank you, Carlene. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
This is the meal that I tried. It was chicken and rice and peas with a side of steamed veggies. To say that it was amazing is an understatement. It was really delicious. I highly recommend them. In fact, I recommend this spot if you are in the Lithia, Brandon, Riverview, or surrounding areas. So go ahead, guys, check it out, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Until next time, guys, ciao!